Hello guys, good morning. This is Ruthie B here. Right now today I'm showing you how I clean and season my chicken. These are drumsticks from chicken drumsticks from Aldi's. Yes, so where I'm from, we are very particular about how we clean our chicken, so our meat rather. So we use vinegar, lime, and we clean everything. So I'm just showing you a short version of how I do so, how we do so where I'm from. I know in America most people, I've seen so many videos, people take the meat from the packet and dump it in the pot, start seasoning and cook, and I'm like, oh my goodness, we don't do that. So we clean, we take everything out that we possibly can, and we cook our chicken. And I'm telling you, once you clean your chicken, you will not go back, or your meat, you will not go back, because I'm not sure what the reasoning is for not cleaning your meat. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. It's going to be a short version. Please enjoy the video and let me know if you want more recipes. See you later. Today is going to be just a 5-minute quick video. So I slice part of the meat, so when I clean it, when I rub it with the lime, the juice of the lime can get in there, so when we eat it, it doesn't have a particular smell or taste to it. So, and also it helps for the seasoning to get in there all the way through. Yeah, that's what we do. And then after that, we wash with hot water, and then we put our seasoning. And even when my mom does that, it takes her hours. If it was her cleaning this, my version is not good enough for her. So anyway, so this is America. We don't have time. We have to find a quick version. Now I'm pouring my hot water, my boiling water, and yeah. And then now I'm gonna complete the wash and put on my seasoning, and that's it. The meat will be ready to eat. I told you guys this is gonna be a quick video, 5 minutes. Yeah guys, I'm almost done. The chicken is clean. I'm putting my seasoning, which you can get from Aldi's, anywhere. Paprika and what else, lemon pepper. And I also put our own concoction that we do in our household. I put that later on, after I put all the dry seasoning. And then that would be it for the video. So enjoy. I hope you learned something today and got a few tips on how to clean your chicken, or this is a concoction I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to bring to you today, and I'll see you later in another video. Thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate you guys. I love you all. Bye.